Now we're going to calculate the latest event time. That means we need to go from right to left through the network diagram, identifying the latest time at which it is possible for each activity to start without the project running late. So we already know the project finishes at time 15, so we'll add 15 as the last value in the final node. We then subtract the duration as we go backwards right to left. So 15 minus 3 gives us 12, which is the earliest as well as the latest time that activity I can start. If we follow the upper path, then we take time 12 and we subtract 3 from that. That gives us 9. So working backwards, we calculate the latest time each activity can start by taking the duration away from the time. Moving backwards, we can now see 9 minus 2 means the latest time that activity E can start is 7. Going backwards again, the latest time that activity B can start is 7 minus 4, which is 3. Again, we have a junction. We're not sure which value to put in straight away, so what we do is we write 3 to one side. Now let's go through the middle. This junction, 12, take away 3, gives us 9. So the latest that activity G can start is time 9. Activity C takes 5 time units, so 9 subtract 5 gives us 4. So the latest that activity C can start is actually time 4, but we don't yet know which value to put in this node at the junction. We now take the final path going down the bottom of the diagram. So from this junction here, 12 take away 7 is 5. That means 5 is the earliest and the latest time that activity H can start. Now move backwards. 5 take away the duration 3 for activity D, and we're left with 2. We now have a choice of 3 different times, 2, 3 or 4, to put in this junction at this node here. We choose time 2, which is the earliest, latest event time, because we do not want to start any activities later than that, because the project will run late if we do. So we put the value 2 in this node, and then we take away 2 for the length of activity A from 2 from this node, and we get the starting value of 0. We now have the latest event time for each activity on the network diagram. If the 2 times in the beginning node were not 0, that would be an indication that we'd made a mistake somewhere, because the start time must be 0. It certainly shouldn't be a minus number, and it shouldn't be bigger than 0. 0 is the time we start the project.